Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card on your iPhone XR. So you can see on right here, they're all same. So just the different colors. There's many colors. You'll need a SIM tray pin. Your SIM card is going to be on the right side bottom, on the right bottom. So it's right here. Click in the hole and then your SIM tray will pop up, as you can see right here, and then pull it out. So your SIM has to be upside down, so towards the screen. The chip has to be, as you can see, just pull it out and there's the SIM card. You can install it upside down. You can kind of see it which way it's supposed to be in. So this way, and now you can install it like this. Pretty easy. Okay, and then it's gonna go your SIM card and you can activate the phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.